With very little upkeep needed, there are reasons why vinyl is a top choice for siding. Here are our 5 reasons why we feel it's a fantastic choice. Durable. While other sidings may have a tendency to rot, chip, and/or become an inviting environment for insects, as long as it's installed properly, vinyl typically has none of these issues. Environmentally friendly. This material is actually better than most other sidings in almost all categories impacting global warming and overall environmental impacts. It's easy to install. Vinyl siding simply hangs on nails and clips one over the next to secure and seal out water. It enhances curb appeal. Vinyl siding gives a home a clean, fresh appearance. It comes in a variety of colors and textures and sizes and can even be made to look like wood. It retains lasting color. Unlike wood that needs to be painted and repainted often, vinyl siding is relatively maintenance-free. The siding comes pre-colored in your choice of color, and you simply have it installed as is. If you're looking to replace or install your vinyl siding, give us a call at C.H.I Roofing.